at the point 2 minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so now see here. So please remember, when they give this type of question, first you have to remember that we know that what we know, angle between two surface, angle between two surface is equal between
Excuse me, sir.
their normal. Yes, yes, beta,
Sir,
tell
I
me
think everyone is writing.
what they are rating. Yes, Pranav, what they are rating. Okay, write down. So let phi 1 is equal to, I will take one function now. Here, the first equation, I'm going to take this equation as phi 1. So just I will write like this: x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 is equal to 0. And I will take second equation as phi 2. Phi 2 is equal to x square plus y square minus z minus 3 is equal to 0. So I will take these two functions and I will find the angle between the surface. Okay, so let us see what you will get here. So first I will find what is del of phi 1. Okay, so just substitute the values. First you write down what is del. Del we have I dou upon dou x plus j dou upon dou y plus k dou upon dou z. Right. Then substitute phi 1, which is nothing but our equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. Is it clear? Okay. Now you please simplify this, multiply this equation with this equation. So one by one you multiply. First I will take first I dou upon dou x and I multiply with this equation. Now what you will get? Here only x is our independent variable. Therefore I will take only x, differentiation y plus y square will become 0, z square will become 0 and 9 will become 0. So differentiation of x square will be 2xi plus. Now I will take j. J into dou upon dou y and I simplify this x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. Here only y is our independent variable, or I am going to differentiate only with respect to y. X square we are going to hold here constant, so it is 0 differentiation. Z square is constant, it is going to become 0, minus 9 is constant, it is going to become 0. So differentiation, you will get this y square will become 2y G. Okay, plus now last I will take K into dou upon dou Z, and I differentiate this full equation. When I differentiate this, students, please remember this is differentiation with respect to Z. So here x and y are constant. Here x and y are constant. Therefore, x square differentiation is 0. Y square differentiation is 0. Differentiation of z square is 2z. Minus 9. Minus 9, this is also a constant. Therefore, this is going to become 0. So, we get del of phi 1. Okay. So we'll continue. You are finding the angle. Please remember the formula for angle. Yes. So now I have to find at point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. What is this? Del of phi 1. So del of phi 1 at point 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. So which is equal to, means just remember this is x, y and z. I have to substitute x is equal to 2 in this. X is equal to 2 I have to substitute. Y is equal to minus 1 I have to substitute. And z is equal to 2 I have to substitute. Okay. So just simplify this. So here I will get, yes. So I will get here 2 into 2 will become 4i, right? Plus, y is minus 1. So therefore I will take this minus 2 as it is, j as it is. I have just substituted y is equal to minus 1. Similarly, z is equal to 2. 2 into 2 will become 4. So therefore this is plus 4k. Similarly, I will find dou of phi 2. So del we have I into dou upon dou x plus j into dou upon dou y plus k into dou upon dou z. Then now substitute the value of phi 2. So phi 2 what we have here, equation 2. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So just substitute x square plus y square minus z minus 3. So this is equal to, first I will take I into dou upon dou x, and I multiply with this equation x square plus y square minus z minus 3. Here again y and z and 3 are constant, therefore this full thing will become 0. Only I have to differentiate with respect to x square. So here I will take differentiation of x square is 2x I, plus same way j dou upon dou y. Only y will be our differentiation, y square will become differentiation 2y j. Next we have minus differentiation of z is 1. So therefore we get this equation k. So del of phi 2 at point 2 minus 1 2 will be equal to, here x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 2. So just simplify here, friends. 2 into 2 will become 4i. Y is minus 1. So this is minus 2j. And z is not there. So I will keep minus k as it is. Now you see, therefore I will just take n1. I denote n1 is equal to gradient of phi 1, which is nothing but del of phi 1. So previously we have solved, students. It is 4i minus 2j plus 4k. Same way I denote n2. N2 is nothing but gradient of phi 2, which is equal to del of phi 2, which is I just now I have solved, it is 4i minus 2j minus k. Yes, friends. Now you can see in the question it is clearly mentioned that the n1 n2 equation, they are the two normal surfaces. So therefore, please remember the formula for normal surface. I will give you the formula. Please remember this formula, students. Definitely this type of question will come. So remember this. Write this as formula or remark. Yes, you have to remember this, since n1 comma n2 are the normal to two surface. When this happens, students, then you can see this phi 1 and phi 2 we get, right, at point 2 minus 1 2. And now I say that if theta be the angle, theta be the angle between them, between them, then you have to remember the formula here. This is n1 into n2 is equal to modulus of n1 dot modulus of n2 cos theta. So theta I have to find out. So just substitute the value, students. What is n1 n2? Just now I have given. Just write down the value. Yes. So put the value of n1. It is 4i minus 2j plus 4k. Okay. N2 value will be 4i minus 2j minus k. So which is equal to, now you can see this is modulus of n1. You know already that coefficient of ijk the whole square, square root of coefficient of ijk the whole square. You can see, you can write this modulus as, just square this, coefficient of I is 4 square plus coefficient of j is minus 2. So I'll write minus 2 square plus coefficient of k is 4 square, or I will write it down. Modulus of n1, n2 you have to write, that's it. So this is equal to square root of 4 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square. This is mod of n1. Mod of n2, students, again square root of coefficient of ijk square. So this is again 4 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 1 square. Then what is remaining? Cos theta. So just I have substituted n1 n2 mod of n1 mod of n2. Now next, just simplify, find the value of theta. Therefore this is equal to, so this is a dot product, students. You can see corresponding elements are must be multiplied. So this 4 is multiplied to only this 4, it is going to become 16 plus minus 2 is multiplied with minus 2 will become plus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 corresponding elements I, j, k students. Please remember 4 is multiplied to minus 1, so this is minus 4 which is equal to, now this is full square root of 4 square plus minus 2 square will become again 4 plus 4 square is 16. So this is going to become 36. So you can easily write this as square root of 36. Next, 4 square is 16. 16 plus 2 square is again 4. 20. 1 square is 1. So therefore this is going to become 21 cos theta. So just simplify, minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. This is 16 and square root 36 is 6 root 21 cos theta. So we can easily write this ones, cos theta is equal to 16 divided by 6 square root of 21, or I want theta. So therefore angle between this is theta cos inverse 16 divided by 6 square root of 21. This is our final answer. Is it clear? Okay. Yes, friends, any doubt, please ask me. Yeah, only. Yes.